welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinchilla. A lot of you might be wondering, what the hell is she doing in a robe? Mind your business. I'm wearing a robe because it's hot and the fan is right on me, so when I go see the breeze blower, I want to go hear the fan in the background. Sorry about that. But today I'm here to talk about a product that I've really been loving of lately, and yeah, we're going to talk about the vagina again. So if you are interested in knowing what I'm talking about, then continue watching this video.
What himself? I the youngest lad.
Hi,
Johnny. Them can't stand with vendetta. The struggle only make you better. Them right we off like a letter, but we still a trendsetter. The pain of the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me. Now somebody want me love. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and
okay, so first of all, let me get comfortable. I want to say this before I get into the video. There's a lot of women out there that are scared to talk about vagina, and they're scared to have the vagina conversation. And I want to tell you that there's nothing for you to be scared about, because all women go through it. In no matter what race, in no matter what age, all of us have vagina issues, whether it's a little tenderness here, a little chafing there, a little odor here, a little yeast infection there. We all go through it, so you don't have to feel embarrassed to talk about it. It's a part of your body. Embrace it. The reason why I'm making this video is because I was young once, and I remember my very first yeast infection. I was so scared to talk about it because I didn't know what it was. So I was even scared to even say to somebody, you know, say this is happening to me or happening to me. And then you never have no Google when I grow up. So it's good to basically just throw some information out there, and not only information, throw some solutions out there so people can search and find it. And it helps. Like I said, all women go through, you know, vagina issues, and it's embarrassing. And you have some women who struggle with yeast infection before and after the period. So, you know, it's a reoccurring situation, and it gets tiring because you keep on have to go to the over-the-counter products and stuff like that. I'm the type of person I study my body, and whenever I study my body, I'm like a test dummy. I try stuff to see what works and what doesn't work. So if you go on Google, you will see like a bunch of suggestions and things that you should try, but you have to be the test dummy to see what works for you from what don't work for you, right? So basically, I was reading up on probiotics. Before I even go into that conversation, there's a lot of times, you know, you go to the doctor and you have a little virus or a little infection, and they're quick to give you these antibiotics. Antibiotics are also found in chicken. You don't know sometimes what type of food you're eating or putting in your body, okay? So antibiotics is something that you put in your body and it destroys the good bacteria. Bacteria is in the body, it's made up in the body. We have two types of bacteria. We have bad bacteria and we have good bacteria, okay? So what happens is that the bad bacteria is overpowering the good bacteria when you swallow a lot of antibiotics. So it's good to put back the good bacteria inside of your body, where it comes on to the point of pH balance. pH balance is important for women, and I think we should understand this, because you see, if you don't have a healthy pH balance, you're gonna have reoccurring symptoms down there. You're gonna have a little odor, you're gonna have a little itch, you're gonna keep having these little issues if you don't attack the root of the problem. So I'm here to tell you that the best way to do that is probiotics. So I was reading up on probiotics, and I went into the pharmacy and I decided to try it out for myself. So I've been using this product for like 3 months now. This is the cheapest one that I saw in there. It was like $13, and I started to take this, and honey, I smell like roses. I don't have any itches, I don't have any discomfort, because this product is the real deal. There's a lot of probiotics in the pharmacy, okay, so you're gonna have options, honey, but I'm just telling you about this product. I really like it. It works well for me. I've been taking it for 3 months, and it's been working tremendously for me. So I'm here to tell you to try it. Try it out for yourself and see what I'm talking about. Sometimes, you know, there are certain foods that you ingest, and so for example, me, I'm allergic to milk, so I'm lactose intolerant. If I drink milk, it just goes straight through my body. So the nutrients that I'm supposed to get from milk, I don't get it. So what I have to do, right, in order to put certain nutrients is to take vitamins. That's what vitamins are for. This product has lactobacillus in there. It's a good bacteria. If you Google lactobacillus, it will tell you, I'm going to put it on the screen, that it's something that helps with your pH balance. Probiotics is for the gut. So once it goes through the acidity of your gut, then it goes straight to the vagina, and then it helps you with yeast infection and vagina odor and stuff like that. So the information that I found on Google about this product, I'm going to list it right here. So lactobacillus, 3.0 billion microorganisms is in here, and then down here it has the same lactobacillus bifidus. 2 billion microorganisms are in this one capsule, and it suggests that you take one a day. There is some side effects, like I have bloatedness when I take it. I also get very gassy. I also pee a lot, and it's stuck on my throat sometimes. It makes me thirsty too. Yeah, I realize that too. It's stuck on my throat sometimes because I'm not really a pill person. I'm not a pill popper. So those are like easy side effects where you can handle. It makes you nauseous too sometimes, but those are stuff that you can handle. But after you get through the little swing of things, I am telling you, it goes straight to the source and it handles your issues. And this is a long time solution, so it's not something that's gonna work this month and not work next month, because I tell you, I've been using this product for a while. So on the back it says that it does not contain eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soybean are ingredients from these sources. It doesn't contain preservatives. It doesn't have artificial flavors in there, and it suggests that you take 1 capsule per day. And they said down here other ingredients is rice and flour, gelatin capsule shells, silica, magnesium stearate, and the allergen info is it contains ingredients from milk sources. It says that acidophilus and bifidus are a special culture of friendly bacteria to help maintain and restore favorable intestine flora. So basically, I'm not a doctor. I just use a product that I like very much, and I'm recommending it to you guys out there. So if you want to, you can go check out this product. If you don't like it, you can use another probiotic, but I'm telling you, this is a very good product, and I give it 2 thumbs up. So if not, you can try. There's like options there. You need the good bacteria. That is what's gonna fight the bad bacteria and give you healthy pH balance. Google it if you don't believe me. Do your research, study your body, and do it the healthy way, because sometimes these bag of drugs that we put in our system, it's like you have to constantly be going back. It's like a quick fix. It's not a real solution. So yeah, I'm gonna stop chatting, you guys. All I'm saying is that I really love the product, and I hope that you guys use it and let me know how you feel about it. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Just take care of yourself and take care of your vagina. It is important. It is imperative that you take care of your vagina. It is very imperative. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't look at my boobs, please. You know. Let me shut up and go now. Bye guys. I'll see you in my next one.